Good morning, dear students. Now in this video I'm going to explain your classwork. Okay, so the question number 1 is circle the objects given below in equal groups. Students, you have to circle the objects in equal groups. Okay, write the answer in the box. Okay, and after that you have to write the correct answer in these boxes. Okay, so how we will solve it, let's see. First, when we will divide 4 divided by 2, we will get the answer 2. Okay, so we can divide these objects into two groups by two objects. Okay, so we will circle two objects and the other group of two objects. Okay, similarly in question number 2 we have to divide these 8 objects, okay, by 2. And how many groups we can divide it? We can divide, these are 8 objects, so 8 divided by 2, the answer is 2 4 ja 8. So we can divide these objects equally in in 4 groups. 1 2 3 and 4 equal na? Okay, next is we have to divide 6 divided by 3, so we will get the answer 3 2 ja 6. Now we have to divide these objects into 3 groups equally. Okay, so we can divide 2 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. Okay students, next question is observe the repeated subtraction and write the division fact. Students, you have to observe the repeated subtraction and write the division fact. You have to write only the division facts. In the previous video I told you that how to division is repeated subtraction. So here we will count only how many steps are involved in this division. Okay, so let's count 1 2 3. How many steps are involved? 3. So 27 divided by 9 and the division fact is 3, because obviously we have to count how many steps are involved in this process and the quotient is same, so the quotient is here is 3. Okay, so the answer is 3. Now in this process we will count again how many steps are involved in this process. So let's count 1 2 3 4 and 5. So the dividend is 40 and divided by 8. Okay, 8, and the answer is, now we can count 1 2 3 4 5 steps, so the quotient is 5. This is the answer. Okay students, question number 3 is divide using repeated subtraction method and write the complete division facts. Students, we have to divide using the subtraction method and write the division fact. So how we will solve it, let's see. Now 24 divided by 4, so we will write it as 24. Okay, now we will subtract 4 from 24, so the answer is here 0 and here is 2. Okay, Again we will subtract 4 from 20. Now 10, 6, 1. Again minus 4. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 1. Again subtract 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. Again minus 4, and it is, I am writing here, okay, and you have to continue, okay, below this line. So we will 8 minus 4 is 4. Again we will minus 4, and we have, now we have got 0. Okay, so students, here how many steps are involved? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so the division fact is equal to 6. Okay, now similarly solve this question. 12 divided by 3. So again we will divide 12 by 3. 12 and divided by 3. So we will minus 3. What we get? 12 minus 3 is 9. Again we will subtract 3 from 9. And now 9 minus 3 is 6. Subtract 3. You have to do it until you will not get 0. Okay, I have told you in the previous video. 6 minus 3 is 3. Again minus 3, and now we have got 0. Okay, so now you can count how many steps are involved. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the division fact is 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. This is the answer. Now match your answers. Thank you and have a nice day.